For this problem, you have to graph sine of pi x. What you do? First, you have to find amplitude and period. Amplitude is 1. Period. Follow the formula. Two pi divided by b. b is pi. Means what? Period is 2. Now, we have to divide the period in 4 equal sections. How? We need to find 5 points, 5 different values of x. The first value is always 0. The last value is always the value of the period. This is simple. The middle, the third value, is 1/2 of the period. Now, the second value is 1/2. Use fractions, don't use decimals. Now, common sense. First value 0, second value 1/2, the next 2/2, the next, the fourth value is 3/2. Is correct because the fifth is 4/2 reduced equals to 2. These values are correct. Now find the typical values of x when you graph sine. The typical values start with 0. The next times pi is 1/2 of pi. The next 1 pi. The next 3/2 of pi. And the last 2 pi. You can get these values multiplying by pi or from your memory. Remember, you must memorize these numbers when you graph the typical sine graph. Then now find sine. Use the values that you already know for sine. Sine always starts with 0. First, after 0, the next is 1. The next is 0. The next is -1. And the last is 0 again. Now, find all the points. Use the top and the bottom. Now graph all the points. First 0, 0. The next 1/2, 1. The next 1, 0. The next 3/2, -1. And the last 2, 0. Now connect all the points. And that's our graph for sine of pi x. We finished.